Hi everyone! Welcome to a brand new video tutorial with me, Anna Marie. Today I will be showing you how to create these beautiful primrose flowers using the same color ink pads that I used in last 3 video tutorials. So today is all about the flowers, so you can see how stunning the effect can be. What you will need is obviously white cardstock. I'm actually using a 300-gram super smooth printer card, and I did die cut them in 3 sizes. So these are the 3 largest sizes that you're getting in the set. Okay, so as a reminder, I'm using the eggplant, Adirondack eggplant ink pad and antique linen. You will also need a biro pen or fine liner pen, and of course some flower centers. These I actually created myself, and if you wanted to learn how to create your own sparkly gems, I will include the link for another video tutorial, and that will be in the description box below. Anyway, now onto the flowers. So I will start with the Adirondack, and I have this beautiful makeup brush, and literally what you need is just ink up your brush and start inking up your flower. Now, because the brush is obviously rather wide, okay, you can actually squeeze it slightly. So I do have nice strong color, and if you think that's enough, then put it to the side. Now, with the second largest, what I will actually use Adirondack color for my outside petals. Now I will go for my smallest size, and I will just stipple it randomly, just like that. And now onto the antique linen. Load my sponge with the ink, and then obviously start inking. Right, so I have my flowers, and at this point, if you thought that you need a little bit more blending, of course you could do that. So I will actually go with the extra layer over my antique color ink pad. So we have something like this. And now I'm going to add a little bit of modeling paste stippled onto my petals. You will need a little sponge to do your stippling. And I'm loading the modeling paste onto my sponge. Right, so very gently. And when your modeling paste is dry, we're now going to use some shaky lines on the petals using just a simple biro. I'm not going to do the shaky lines on every single one of them because I wanted to show you this one to have slightly different effect. So I'm just going to actually do the shaky lines on these two only. And we're just going to go from the center round. And when you do the shaky lines, just add random dots to your petals. But I think they create a really nice edging. So we've got these 6 beautiful flowers, and now we're going to start putting them together. Right, so I'm using just a little bone folder, and I'm literally curving them. As I'm curving each petal, I'm actually keeping this part in place. So it's about 2/3 of the way. So all my petals are beautifully curved here. And when I'm looking at these two, the largest ones, I know that I will be adding a little tiny amount of edging from my Adirondack to the outside of the petals. You can see now how beautifully framed my flower is at the moment, with just a small amount of the edging. So let's put my largest flower together first, glue. And I am not going to perfectly align my flower. There you go. So that's my large one. Now onto the small one. And the same, I'm just going to offset it slightly. At this point, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use the kebab stick to literally just curve just a petal or two. Again, this can be done randomly, or you could do obviously every single one of them if you prefer. It's a little detail, but this detail will actually make a difference. Right, so all my 3 flowers are done now, and we're just going to place the centers of the flowers inside. What I like to do right at the end is actually bring all my petals as close to the center as possible and kind of squeeze them. Squeeze them so just they are wrapped around my center. As a last thing, I will also use the Deco Art Media Antique Cream, and we're going to do some splatter. And my flowers are done. Well, these are beautiful, and I hope you agree with me. Very easy to create, very effective to look at, and I hope you enjoyed yourself. I will be back very soon with another flower tutorial for you. But for now, thank you very much for stopping by, and see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.